exposing the secrets in t-shirt design. Want to make killer graphics? You're in the right place. First things first, start with a clear idea. Think about what you want your t-shirt to say. Is it funny, cool, or inspirational? Once you've got your concept, sketch it out. Don't worry, it doesn't need to be perfect. Next, choose your colors wisely. Stick to a palette of 2-3 colors to keep it simple and eye-catching. Remember, contrast is key. Light colors pop on dark shirts and vice versa. Now it's time to digitize and use free tools like Canva or more advanced ones like Adobe Illustrator. Convert your sketch into a crisp, clean design. So that's it. Don't forget to save it in high resolution. Finally, test your design. Print a sample to see how it looks on the actual fabric. Make adjustments if needed, and there you have it. You're now ready to design graphics for t-shirts like a pro. Happy printing!